Hello, good afternoon lovely people. Now I've finally got round to doing mass number 10, which came from a care worker in Morecambe. This one was heavily contaminated. All the same, it was made by Winner Medical Co Limited. It's got an address in, where are we? It's just got a China address, or Hamburg as well, but it's made in China. Okay, same as the last one, number 9 really. Now the thing is with this one, to do the full video for you, yeah, we're going to be talking a few problems like length. It's going to be over an hour I think at this rate. So you just grab that again. So see what you think. The findings are totally different to previously. I'll do a brief intro for each one as I'm at the head of them, just so you know what it's about. But in all, there's 7 videos. Now, bear with me because they're all different and they're all to do with experimenting, so I hope you find them interesting anyway. And thanks for watching in advance. All the best. Hiya. The first video of 7 is actually a carrier bag. It's a Rowlands carrier bag. It's the outside of the carrier bag. What I'd done, I know where to put the mask. It kept wandering about, so to sort of protect it a little bit, I just shoved it in the carrier bag and folded it over top of it. Right, so the first one, number 1 of 7, is the carrier bag. And some interesting findings there, you'll see. So as we begin, first off I want to show you something. See there? I've got a microscope set up, and I've got the carrier bag that's got the muzzle inside it. Right, not outside, this is the outside of the bag. And straight away, I don't even get as far as the bloody mask, up here. It's not cat hair. There's a cat hair nearby, but it's not even on there. Right, this one. I can't see it on the bag, by the way. Let's give it a whirl. See? So they're loose on the outside. They're loose on the desk. It cheers me up no end. So I'm going to have to hoover the place. One more blow before we get rid of this. There you go. Right, so that's one, and I've not even got as far as the mask. Like I say, that is on the blue. Hang on, I'll move tripod. That is on the carrier bag in the blue. The bugger's squirming. Madness, innit? Just a twitch on that, innit? Bit of a squiggle, right? Keep an eye. Now, oddly enough, the carrier bag also has these greeny, goldy sort of specks on it, and the black dots. Same as it would have in the mask, but I'm not, like I say, I'm not got as far as the mask yet. Now, quickly for reference, still on the outside, that is a cat hair, right? This one here though, on the other hand, it isn't. I don't know what that is. It's looped round a few times. You can see there's quite a lot of it. Let's try that one. See, twisting all over the place, down here, across here. I don't have a clue what that one is. I can't see it on the bag, to be honest. I really can't see it. Again. It's moving all over the place. Now that one goes off everywhere. This is just on the bag, like, it looks clean to me, but when you see it on here, obviously it's not. needless to say, it's going in the bin when I've sorted this mess out. Lots of black specks. I don't know if they're hairs. I'll refer to them as hairs. I honestly don't have a clue. These I don't know. They're still micro. That long one is still micro. Right. And this one still outside the bag. Yeah. There's others, obviously. I could go on forever with this, I think, and I've never even set eyes on them. I can see me having to do a video of the carrier bag, to be honest. Right, quite a selection on that one. Yeah, all in view. One, I don't know about that. Black speck, one under the surface, one down here, question mark there, loop there. This is a carrier bag, outside. Right. See, these things are everywhere. If these are on this bloody carrier bag, they're going to be all over at desk as well. And God knows where else. I don't know how to kill the damn things. If they're alive, I don't know what to do with them. Right. And again. Yeah, that's a squirmer. So there's the cat hair. Once again, I'm going to give up on the carrier bag for now. Well, I might scrape some of the fibres off into my little pot, but we'll see how we get on with that one. The main point is meant to be the muzzle. Anyway, okay chaps, I'm going in.